Hollywood legend John Hurt dead. Two-time Oscar nominee and Elephant Man actor passes away aged 77 after battling cancer and suffering intestinal complaint. Sir John Hurt, the two-time Oscar-nominated star of The Elephant Man, has died aged 77 after battling cancer. The four-time married, Derbyshire-born star has been an enigmatic and much-beloved presence on the screen for more than 6 decades. The Harry Potter actor had recently battled pancreatic cancer but in October 2015 was given the all-clear. At the time he said, "I am overjoyed, I am thrilled. It all looks great for the future, it's fantastic." Despite the all-clear, Sir John continued to endure periods of ill health. He suffered intestinal complaints and last July he was forced to pull out of a West End production of The Entertainer on medical advice. Speaking to the Radio Times, he was matter-of-fact about his mortality. "I can't say I worry about mortality, but it's impossible to get to my age and not have a little contemplation of it," he said. In July 2015 he received a knighthood, and said he wished his parents had been alive to see him presented with the honor. He added, "It does make one enormously proud." Hurt is survived by his wife of 12 years, Louise Myers. The son of a clergyman, Hurt rose to fame in A Man for All Seasons in 1966 and then starred in Hollywood blockbusters such as Alien, the adaptation of George Orwell's 1984, and found a new generation of fans in the Harry Potter franchise. The double Oscar nominee also had prominent TV roles in Doctor Who, The Naked Civil Servant and The Gruffalo. Hurt recently starred in the Oscar-nominated biopic of President John F. Kennedy's widow, Jackie, which is currently showing in cinemas.